So this is the build of my 2008 RM250 for Gypsy Tales mid 21k. Bought this thing off Gumtree, sight unseen, from New South Wales. Really didn't know exactly what I was looking at, apart from these pictures here. Kind of looked okay. Yes, it needed a bit of work, but yeah, thought it was achievable. Bike did actually run. I was actually running alright. Idle was a little bit high, but yeah, was going around, making a list of all the bits and pieces, but yeah, as always, there's stuff that you don't account for. So this is all the damage that I found. Forks were absolutely shot to shit. Dings and scratches in them everywhere. Roost damage, brake pins were bent, brake pads were worn really differently. Someone tried to cut through the steering stem with a die grinder, shifter shaft bent. Found a subframe from a 2001 model on it, so I was a bit concerned, and then just started ripping to the bike and tearing it down. So that was after 2 days of having the bike. She was down to the bare frame. Opened up the cases, or went to drain the oil. It was meant to have 750ml in there. I reckon there was luckily to be 250ml. So don't think it had been changed in its life. Yeah, everything had just been absolutely, I don't know where the guys were riding in a mine or something like that, but just everything was rusted. Everything was really in worse nick than I thought it was. So these are some of the gears. Yeah, first through third were absolutely gone. Yeah, there was no square edges on anything there, so had to get all new gears and get them ordered, get stuff ready to hydroblast, and looking good. The forks were a little bit neglected. Fork seals hadn't been done in a long time. Was finding sand and dirt and grime in all weird places, like even in the front brake caliper, all the seals were absolutely gone. Rear brake caliper is meant to be straight, it's a square piece, and yeah, it was all way out, so that accounted for the weird pad wear. Sent everything off to get cleaned, so big parts dishwasher, came back looking absolutely magnificent. Started blending out all the casting marks on the swing arm, triple clamps, everything like that, getting all the carbon out, and just started fresh, rebuild on everything. Blended out all the damage on the forks, was going to get that and sent off to get re-anodized, so looking absolutely really good. DB race suspension, Darren over there did the suspension for us, and then yeah, these are some of the new bits. So Alan at AP Performance Coatings did the powder coating and Cerakoting on the bike. Came out absolutely fantastic. So got a couple of different colours on the bike. Cases are done in clear coat after being polished back and then brushed finished. So they will look really nice and yeah, won't be damaged. Went for the red ignition and clutch covers, as well as the water pump, billet, clutch, basket. Yeah, brand new powder coated frame, oversized radiators for the bike. Got to have that carbon fibre and brand new core MX brake lines, TCR standard machined hubs, brand new XL rims, stainless steel spokes. Got the nipple sent off to get anodized. It's got a new two-piece head with exchangeable domes. Super finished gearbox from the guys down at Hyper Finishing down in Melbourne. Super slick, looking absolutely amazing, so better shifts with all that good stuff. New crank, all the build, case just looking really clean. The clutch was actually not too bad, but the new basket and everything like that. Engine starting to come together, all the colours going on, so it looks good. So got the, and then starting the build process, slowly putting everything back together. So there was definitely a couple of trips back and forth from MX store, and even Motorcycles R Us at Springwood there for those Suzuki RM bits. But yeah, so new plastic kits, got the Polysport Restyle kit on there. Started to come look together. Got the DEP new expansion pipe FMF muffler. Got there and started looking really good. Rival Link did the sticky kit for us, and there's some of the guys that helped us along the way. The bike was looking really good until I got to putting the forks together, and then I realised I messed up big time. So turns out the bike had a big hit, and the triple clamps were twisted. So that was a last minute thing. The bike was 95% there, and yeah, Had to order a new set of triple clamps from the States last minute. So anyway, build's done. Here's some photos of what it looks like.